Introducing the Draper temperature controlled soldering station. So I purchased this because this didn't make the grade, in my opinion, on the soldering. The temperature was not working very well on that. So this one should be a lot better. Comes with a nice fine tip there, and you don't really need anything more than 40 watts for soldering circuit boards and producing cables. Here's the box that it came in. Works out at $34.99 in the UK, and I've had many of these in the past, but this is the redesigned version. Check it out